If you're looking for the best coding courses on Coursera, you have plenty of excellent options. Whether you want to become a software developer, learn Python, build websites, or start a career in tech, Coursera has courses from top universities and leading technology companies. Before we get started, if you're planning to take multiple coding courses, check the discount link in the description. Coursera Plus can save you money compared to paying for each learning program separately. For complete beginners, my first recommendation is Programming for Everybody from the University of Michigan. It teaches Python programming from scratch and is one of the most popular beginner coding courses on Coursera. It's a great place to start if you've never written code before. If you're interested in software engineering, IBM Full Stack Software Developer is an excellent professional certificate. You'll learn front-end and back-end development, Git, cloud deployment, Django, Node.js, and other job-ready development skills. It's one of the best choices if your goal is becoming a full-stack developer. If you want to learn C and C++, Coding for Everyone, C and C++ from the University of California, Santa Cruz is another great option. It covers programming fundamentals, object-oriented programming, algorithms, and software development concepts that apply across many programming languages. For learners interested in Java and computer science fundamentals, Princeton University's Computer Science Programming with a Purpose is another excellent beginner course that introduces programming principles through real coding exercises. The best part is that many of these programs include hands-on projects and career certificates that you can add to your resume and LinkedIn profile after completing the requirements. The only downside is that buying individual learning programs can become expensive, especially if you want to learn Python first, then web development, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, or data science. That's why I usually recommend Coursera Plus. Instead of paying separately, you get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs from over 350 leading universities and companies. You can earn unlimited certificates while your subscription is active, making it the best value for anyone serious about learning to code. If you want to check the latest Coursera Plus discount, you'll find the link in the description below.